for this economy. It is the barometer where you see the growth. Today, if you look at most of you when you talk about, oh, India is growing, you will always refer to markets are growing. You will look at Nifty and you say, oh, Nifty was at 7,000 in 2020, we are at about 24,000 now. Indian economy has grown 4 times. That's what NFP is. And we are very proud of this institution, what India has created.
Domestic investor, mutual fund companies, FIIs, those who find prospect in our company, they are going to invest. This segment is called as a secondary market.
Problems, the solutions, everything that is written on it.
Hello everyone. Now I'm presenting the problem and solution of our company Protexa. So first, as far as you can see, there are 3 major problems we are facing as a company. First, there is a BI insurance based on a sustainability. We are not taking a kind of like a profitability ratio, we are taking the sustainability ratio. For that, most of the insurance company does not provide those, and the solution is that insurance on actual losses.
एक ऐसा ऐप जो आपको ठगी और फ्रॉड और स्कैम जैसी चीज़ों से बचा सकता है। तो हमारा विजन ये है कि हम एक ऐसा ऐप बनाएं जो कि पावरफुल हो, बेस्ड एआई के हिसाब से हो।
And what has been your track record. So equity is also a very good option. So now if you are hearing in the marketplace,
NISM provides residential program for in-depth learning, professional development. It also provides postgraduate courses like PGPISM, PGPFP, PGDM, CSMC, data science or LLM.
Wow.
Right? All your documents, PAN, Aadhaar, mark sheet, ration card, everything can be on DigiLocker. And you don't need to submit physical documents anywhere. Which is why when you go to a phone, collect a phone, without an identity or address, you can simply... Now you can argue saying that, okay, why post-COVID suddenly so many people are, able to open accounts or do folios and stuff like that. That is because early 2020, SEBI, in this all 4 sites started.
But after this happened in 92, that dust was removed and that report was brought back to the table. So the government decided that there should be a law, an act for creating a regulator for the securities market. And that's how SEBI was given statutory power. SEBI became an independent regulator way back in 1992. SEBI has been talking to the government education ministry to start this from 11th standard onwards, some basic. And SEBI has been in discussion with multiple universities to have such type of courses.
हाँ रे बाबा उचलतोय. Hello? Yes? Yes? Me? Want 10 lakh rupees?
National Institute of Securities Markets.
What is a contract? It's a legal agreement between two parties. There would be buyer, there would be a seller, right? So we give you derivatives contracts of futures and options, wherein you are supposed to take the prices, positions accordingly, okay?
Of the total AUM. So that was 4.5 crores, 5 lakh crores in 2019, okay? And that has become almost threefold to around 12 lakh crores now. So that speaks volumes that women are, kind of slowly, steadily believing in long-term investments and, investing in the right instruments, I would say.
Many of us are not expert in securities market, but we want to invest in securities market. So we can take help of some other expert who will guide us as to how do we invest. So there are investor advisors, portfolio manager, mutual fund. So these are the different types of services available for an individual.
Learning program from NISM as your participation for today's program.